Hi, John from Diode Dynamics. Today we'll be going over and installing our SS5 bumper kit like you see here for the 2020 to 2022 Ford Super Duty. This kit allows you to mount a curved 6-pod SS5 Crosslink Lightbar across the bumper of your Ford Super Duty using our patent-pending CrossLink technology, giving it a more aggressive off-road style that'll make your truck stand out from the crowd. These single-piece crosslinks will securely fasten your SS5 Lightbar together for an easy installation on the Super Duty brackets. Not only that, but you get a ton of additional light output to see any obstacles on the trail ahead, thanks to our patented Stage Series technology inside of our SS5s. The high-intensity output is harnessed by our custom-engineered TIR optics, ensuring the light output is directed exactly where you want it without any stray or wasted light. Now, we offer this kit in both our Sport and Pro power level, in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow output. They also come in our combo optic, which combines our driving and flood optics to shine light downrange in a focused rectangular pattern, while adding additional fill light directly in front of the vehicle. In addition to the insanely bright main beam, our SS5s will also give you 8 selectable backlight options with our white pods and a single amber backlight with our yellow pods. The backlight serves as an additional accent light or ambient light when the main beam isn't in use, or just to give your truck some extra styling. But the customization doesn't stop there. The polycarbonate lenses used by our SS5s are completely interchangeable, which means that if you're looking to later change the output pattern to something more suitable for your application, we offer replacement lenses that allow you to change or do so in just a couple minutes. Our SS5 bumper kit was designed right here in the US by our engineering team to bolt directly to factory mounting locations to allow for easy installation without interfering with your proximity sensors and still allowing you to use your 360 camera. The brackets included are made of a thick gauge heavy duty stainless steel, featuring a durable powder coated finish for maximum longevity. And they've been rigorously torture tested using load simulation to help prevent unwanted flexing or vibration no matter the elements. Wiring is easy and intuitive. Harnesses are included that plug right into the Deutsch-style connector on the pods. This kit can be controlled with the included toggle switch, or if you have an auxiliary bank, you can easily connect to it using the included adapter. Our SS5s are designed, tested, and assembled right here by our team in the US and are backed by an 8-year warranty. Let's show you how to install them now. Our first step, we'll remove 8 plastic push clips on the front of our bumper with a plastic trim removal tool, 4 on bottom and 4 on top. Next, we can release our plastic bumper trim by prying from one side to the other. Next, we'll be removing these corner plastic trim panels. To do this, we'll squeeze 4 retention clips on the underside of the bumper using a pair of needle nose pliers and a plastic trim removal tool. It's important to note that these clips are stiff and easily broken. However, our SS5 bracket will be taking its place and they won't be reused. Now we can align our SS5 bracket in place and secure it to our bumper using our included bolt, washer, and nut, leaving it only hand tight. Then, you can go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side of the vehicle. Moving forward, we can now assemble our SS5s into our CrossLink Lightbar. If you need assistance with this process, we have a full video linked in the description below. And it's important to note for this kit, since it's a slight curved configuration, we'll be using the second notch on our CrossLink. We're now ready to move on to our wiring. We'll need a 10mm socket to loosen the nut on our positive and negative terminal of the battery. We'll connect our black wire to our negative terminal, and then our red wire to our positive terminal, and then tighten everything back down. Then we can route our toggle switch across the engine bay, through the firewall, and then into the cab to the location of your choice, coming back through and securing everything down away from any hotter moving parts with zip ties. If your vehicle has an auxiliary switch bank, you can disconnect the switch portion of our harness and connect our auxiliary leads. If you're connecting to the factory auxiliary wires, we'll need to press on the 2 tabs on the side of our fuse box and slide it off. From here, you'll notice a bundle of auxiliary leads just under it. You can then strip your factory leads and crimp on our yellow and blue wire from our harness to the corresponding switch wires of your choice. It's important to note on the supplied leads that the yellow wires for our main beam and the blue wires for our backlight. With a 10mm socket and a plastic trim removal tool, we'll then remove 1 bolt and a plastic clip from the front passenger fender liner to give easier access throughout the rest of our wiring. We'll then feed our DT connector down between the airbox and the back of the headlight, and then a few inches through the opening between the grille and headlight. Now we can bolt up and plug in our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar to our brackets using the included M6 hardware, but threading it only hand tight. With a 13mm wrench, we'll be tightening down the 6 bumper bracket bolts. Now we can make our final aiming adjustments. Once we have this where we like, we can grab a 10mm socket and tighten the 6 bolts on the sides of our CrossLink light bar. Then, with a 5mm Allen, tighten your 2 CrossLink end mount bolts. Finally, we can secure any loose wiring away from any hotter moving parts and then reinstall everything else by reversing the steps we used to take them off. If you're looking to pick up an SS5 kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any newer future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.